is actually pretty good. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. 110 over bumps, 60. Left 5, 60. Right 4 through dip. Keep middle over crest, left 5, 200. Right 4 long, keep in, 150. Left 4 long, keep in, don't cut, 100. Right 5. And right 4, 60. Right 6, don't cut. And left 4. And right 6, 80. Crest. 110 over bumps, 60. And right 6. And left 5, 40 through dip, water splash. Right 6 over crest, 80. And over bumps. Keep left over crest, 60. Right 5. And right 4, 60. Left 6 through dip. Right 5. And left 6. Both outside. Turn, open, hairpin left. Right 5. And right 4. Post outside, 100. Left 4. And right 6. Into left 5, 150. Right 4 long, keep in, 150. Left 4 long, keep in, don't cut, 250. 200 over bumps, 60. Left 6 through dip, right 5. And left 6, right 6, don't cut, and bump, and left 4, and right 6, 60. Left 6. And left 4 long, 80. Right 5, don't cut. And right 4, don't cut, 200. Right 4 long, keep in, 200. Right 4 long, keep in, don't cut, 100. Keep right over crest. 110 over bumps, 150. Left 4 long, keep in, don't cut, 100. Left 5 bumps. 80 past junction. And left 3. Left 5, 60 to finish. Okay, take it to the control. Okay, stage time recorded. Good job.